Okay. We came to try Lake 22. It's supposed to be snowy. I thought that off the bat there would be a lot more snow than there actually is, but it's pretty cold. When we drove up, it was 34 degrees Fahrenheit. So Lake 22 is 1,400 elevation gain in 6 miles. So we should complete this within 4 hours. We just started and I feel like my lips are freezing. I have chapstick on. You don't feel your lips freezing? Mm-mm. I do.
I got my face in here.
Oh yeah. But so far it's beautiful. Okay. Oh yeah. Leo got Gore-Tex now. We've officially entered the snow area. Lots of rocks, lots of water. For sure you need waterproof shoes, pants, and dry socks. We haven't needed our micro spikes yet. We reached more and more snow. We passed a group of girls who said that the snow is gonna get up to our knees. So we'll see how that goes. Right now we're at mile 1.6 out of 3.5 one way. So we're halfway one way. Look at that. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh. It's like a powdered donut. Winter wonderland. This has to be the most snow I've seen on a trail this year. It just gets better and better.
It's just.
You guys do go around the lake. There was some like noise.
¿Lo que está pasando?
Probably like the wind, so probably causes avalanches and stuff like that. But these are the three players.
Okay.
That's what I was doing too. You gotta stay along the lake side, so you're not trying to do the whole loop.
Okay. Where was it that you read this? Like on Reddit or on IG?
Can't remember. I think it was chat.
Okay. I used to only dream of places like this when I was little. I never thought I'd be able to see something like this with my own eyes. This was just something that I would see in movies. What is it? Oh yeah, look at that. Swear. It feels like the movie The Grinch, where the little girl hikes up the mountain. Or am I tripping?
A little bit. I don't know why it gives me Bambi vibes.
Bambi vibes, okay. Whew. It's beautiful. There it is. Some people but most people are saying not to do it. Oh my god. Oh.
Yeah.
What a dream. What a dream. Oh look, there's people over there.
Yeah.
It looks like there's people on the other side. So a couple already did it. Someone said that they heard noise, which means avalanche risk. Wow, look at the sunlight. This is gorgeous. Oh, look at that. Wow. It's like marshmallow. Oh my god, it's perfect. This has to be one of the best views I've seen in my life. Yes, absolutely. Oh, careful over here. Should I jump or the bridge kind of breaks? I'm gonna try to jump. I'm gonna try to jump. Ooh, okay. Oh yeah, good. The sun decided to come out. It looks more beautiful now than when we started walking up. Wait, how come I can't see people's...
Recently just snowed here.
Yeah, we can't see any footprints. That's a little scary though.
No, it's probably like all day. Probably not.
But what about the people who just walked up? No, there isn't. Are we going the right way?
Should be.
Okay, this...
No, we're not.
Oh God. Imagine we would have sunk. Yeah, I should not lead.
Well, I didn't pay attention either.
Finally finished the trail. The trail wasn't bad. I think rating it as moderate is pretty accurate. I feel like the elevation was the worst, maybe like the first third of the hike, and then it gets like a little easier and then it gets a little tougher again. We ended up using our spikes. Leo didn't use them until he was on his way down, but I used them as soon as we hit the ice, and I found them useful for sure. We did the full loop around the lake. We got some warnings from people saying that they were hearing what's it called, a noise, and that we shouldn't go all the way around, that it was like a risk. But I really wanted to go. We did the full loop. Thankfully everything was okay, and other people were doing it as well. Of course, we all knew that it was at our own risk. And while we were doing the loop, Leo said that he heard noise. I guess that's like sign number one of a possible incoming... Oh, let me move. He put me right there by where the muffler is. The muffler's on that side, and I was getting all the smoke. I'd say that it's a really good snow hike. It looks beautiful. I imagine that it's just as nice during the summer. I can picture people actually going into the lake. The elevation isn't too bad. What else? The parking isn't bad at all. It looks like it got more packed. We got here at around 8 o'clock. Right now it is 12, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it took us 4 hours. It took us 4 hours and 8 minutes, maybe 4 hours because I've been talking for a bit. So total distance was 6.8 miles and elevation was 1460. So not bad. I would rate this trail 5 out of 5 for sure.